warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Therefore, Excellencies, Mr. Khalid Hussein, the Commissioner of Basic English Course, Mr. Fuad Al-Mutaqin, the Director of Basic English Course, and Mom Rafa and Yusofa, the Supervisor today. And all my friends, thank you for welcoming me. I thank you Allah for all merits. I thank you for Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam for all guidance. I thank you MC for this valuable chance. Let me share something about dream. Good morning, everyone. So today I want to talk about something that I believe is the heart of every human being. Dream. What is a dream? Dreams are the aspiration we strive for, something we desire to achieve in our life. They can be big or small, simple or complex, but they all share one thing in common: the potential to inspire and motivate us to reach our full potential. Dream can be a powerful driving force behind our action decision. They can give a secret to take risks, to challenge ourselves and to push beyond our limits. They can also provide us with a sense of purpose and direction of However, achieving dream is not easy. It requires patience and perseverance to face challenge and obstacles that we might encounter along the way. It also requires challenge and obstacles that we might come. It also requires patience and resilience to keep striving and not give up, even when the journey gets tough. But if we have clear and strong dreams, we can achieve anything we want. We can become whatever we want to be. We can take as parents in our life and the life of others. We can So, I want to invite all of you that have big strong dreams. So, I want to all of you that have big and strong dreams. Don't be afraid to achieve. Don't be afraid to dream big, and don't hesitate to strive to achieve your dream. Remember, if never dream, if will never achieve it in our life. Thank you for warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam